Hi, Reg Ellis from Mountainwatch. Well, we had a nice, fine start to the day with a good cover of firm snow that did soften as the day wore on. The temps climbing up to +8 degrees, and we saw northwest winds picking up a little bit in the afternoon. Now, cloud is increasing with a cold front due tomorrow. That's going to bring some rain in the morning before a cooler southwest change sees the temps drop, and we should get some snow from mid to upper slopes. Unfortunately, it looks like a fair bit of rain coming through as well, so that could do some damage to the snowpack. And once again, the winds are going to be very strong. Gale to severe gale northwest winds before the southwesterly change comes through, and with that I expect we'll see some chairlifts on wind holes. Now on Wednesday we'll see cold temps early in the morning. Should see the snow guns firing up before a mostly fine day. We'll see some afternoon cloud over Victoria, and then we're going to see west-southwest winds gradually easing as the day goes on. High pressure system will take hold over the back half of the week. We're going to see mostly fine weather on Thursday and Friday, although west-northwest winds will pick up for a time as we see another front move across just underneath the continent, and the tail of that front will bring a cold southerly change late on Saturday, possibly with a dusting of snow to the southern resorts. Looking at those 7-day totals, most of that is going to come through on Tuesday night with snowfalls above 1,500 metres. This has been Reg Ellis for Mountainwatch.